In this detailed method example, we will use two-dimensional model water surface elevation grid. You will need a GIS application such as QGIS and a GIS raster file of the water surface elevation grid, such as a GeoTIFF provided as a non-regulatory product of a base level engineering study. In this example, we're going to use the water surface elevation for the 1% chance event and the area of interest. First, click on the New Temporary Scratch Layer button. Name the layer Drawing and choose the geometry type Line String. When it shows up on the left panel, you will right-click, adjust the width and the color so that it's easy to see when you draw. Next, we're going to click on Add Line feature. We want to draw this line on the upstream side of the area of interest. So look at the color scale on the left panel to determine which way the water is flowing. It will flow from high to low values. So in this case, water is flowing to the south. So we'll want to draw the line on the north side of the area of interest. Find the upstream edge of the area of interest and draw the line along the same color band. Now we're going to record several grid values along this line. With the water surface elevation grid selected in the left panel, click on the Identify tool. Then you will click on the grid in several locations and record each elevation in an Excel spreadsheet or in a calculator. This first value is 5423.9. Click on another location along the line and record that water surface elevation. Click on a third location along the line and enter that elevation into your spreadsheet. I'm going to click one more location along this line and enter that elevation into the spreadsheet. Next, you just take the average of those four values, and the result is your base flood elevation, 5,422.75.